joining me today. I can't wait to show you Jordan Essentials Magnesium sticks and sprays and how to use them. Hey y'all, if you don't know me, my name is Tracy Hyde and I am a consultant with Jordan Essentials. This is my channel where we talk all things self-care, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and share this video, okay? I hear you. What in the heck is a magnesium stick or spray, and what do you do with them? Well, stick around. I promise I'm about to show you. So first of all, this little beauty is a magnesium stick. Jordan Essentials, see how thick it is? Jordan Essentials has a sticks for all sorts of things, okay? But we also have sprays for all sorts of things. Think headaches, allergies, mood booster calming, nausea, even motion sickness. I'm here to tell you, if you've got something you need support with, we probably have a stick or a spray for it, okay? This is called Helio. It's great to help dig deep into your aches to help you find relief. If you've heard my story about my neck and shoulder, you know this is my favorite product in any form. Doesn't matter what form it's in. In case you haven't heard my story, I'll have that video follow this one, okay? But I use this one here on my neck. Like I rub it right here. I rub it across my trap. You can also put it, maybe your wrist is bothering you. You can put it here, up your thumb. You get the gist, okay? Our sleep stick is this one, and you can do the same thing with it. You can rub it on your neck. You can rub it across your trap. You can rub it right here across your neck so that you can breathe in all the things. If I were to use the sleep spray, I'd spray it on my hands and take a deep breath. I'd probably also throw it on my blanket to keep it close to me, maybe even spray my pillow. Be sure to check out the ingredients list so that you know whether or not you're allergic to anything in there, because we don't need to add that to your difficulties, right? Our Renew stick, here's our Renew stick. Before I found Helio, I was using Renew for all my pains, okay? I didn't realize the difference between Renew and Helio, but I still use it. I still can't find anything better to take care of my TMJ related headaches. I'll put it here and then right down through here, and that starts relieving all of that. So if you're having a pain, if you're carrying something around with you, I'd love to talk to you about it. First, to let you let it out and start to release it. And then second, to also help you find a product that may help. Now, these cute little cards that I have here are amazing. They tell you where you can put things, what might be helpful. I can also brainstorm with you. If you'd like one, I can send it right to you digitally. All you have to do is shoot me a message. You can either text me or DM me. All my information is in the first comment below or in my bio, and I would be happy to send that to you, okay? So I hope that you have gotten some value out of this video, my sharing with you some of my favorite things and how I use them, but also giving you an update and knowledge about other things that we have out there. I didn't talk about the motion stick. I didn't talk about the allergy stick, but maybe that's what you need. Let's talk some, okay? So I hope to see you again real soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And then do me one more favor. Go watch another video. Bye.